Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Commerce Career. Today I am going to show you a biggest beautiful Hindu temple in UK. So as I mentioned in my previous video, I may upload few videos related to London or England, here people, lifestyle and some of the places from here. These videos may not be directly related with our finance and accounting, but I'm sure you are going to like these videos, whatever I'm going to upload. Now let's see what is the temple, where is the temple and which is the temple. Let's go and see the beautiful temple. Yes, the temple name is called Bhaktivedanta Manor, which is also called as Hare Krishna temple. What we call it as a ISKCON. This particular Bhaktivedanta Manor belongs to ISKCON temple. As we all know, ISKCON full form stands for International Society for Krishna Consciousness. It's a very popular name in India. The main temple is in Mayapur, which is in West Bengal, and we have a lot of temples, almost major towns in India. Particularly in Bangalore, we have one very big Sri Krishna temple, ISKCON temple in Rajajinagar, and also we have one more big temple on Kanakpura Road as well. So similarly, we have such ISKCON temple which is called as Bhaktivedanta Manor here in London as well. This is situated in Watford and it's a bit outskirts to Watford. It is almost 5 to 6 kilometers from the Watford. I have included videos of roads, buildings and side villages and the field and all just to give our viewers the sense of landscape of London. I hope you would enjoy the surrounding areas and the sceneries. So let's begin our journey to temple. While coming to London, I thought I had to be alone here, but by God's grace, I have got a lot of friends here. Some of them are my colleagues and some of them are my colleagues' friends, and all those people are good people. I'm not mentioning their name in this video as I have not taken their permission, but really I'm having a good time with them. They're also guiding and helping me to understand rules and regulation here, major places and the culture here and everything. They are guiding me here in everything. So we have reached the Bhaktivedanta Manor now. So this is the car parking place. We have a very huge parking space here. This is the main entrance of the temple. Initially we need to climb a few steps and then finally we enter into a main temple surrounding area. The temple and the temple area, temple surrounding, total environment is mesmerizing. We'll go inside. This is the main entrance to the temple. Let's go inside and see the beauty of the devotion and beauty of the God inside.
Have you told her that story that the communication was? You told her. This is what happened. This is what happened.
Well, no, but at least they have the location.
Yes, yes.
It's just if you don't know where it is, then how do you find it?
Well, we physically go and find it for them. Most of
So
them.
that has to happen. Otherwise, if there's no signs like it,
Yeah, yeah.
you can't just
But
tell
the
them
thing is,
where
Hare
it is.
Krishna guru was at my home, you know. This is good now.
This is the statue of Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, His Divine Grace Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, who is the founder of ISKCON, International Society for Krishna Consciousness. This is the main hall of the temple where we can see deity Krishna and Radhe, and other side we have Sri Rama, Sita Mate and Lakshmana. We can see Anjaneya, deity Anjaneya or Maruti in front of Rama, Sita and Lakshmana. So we have got the darshana of Lord Sri Krishna. As this temple is spread over around 78 acres, I may not be able to show everything in one video. Still we have a lot of things to see here, lot of things to explain and experience here. I will show other major areas to be seen here in the next video. Till then, keep waiting, keep watching and keep sharing my videos. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share to everyone. Keep watching for the next episode, that is part 2. Till then, take care. Bye bye.